Okay, everybody, here are your surprise gift bags for today. Let's see what we have. Let's see, which bag should we do first? Should we do the black, the pink, the green, or the other colored ones? Alright, we're going to do the black one first. And it's Barbie. Okay, what's in the next bag? Let's go to the pink bag and see what's in the pink bag. The surprise gift bags. Oh boy, what's this? It's a Cinderella lunch bag. That's neat. And she's got her glass slipper. Okay, which bag do we do next? What's in the green bag? Oh boy, it's a Paw Patrol vehicle. It's Marshall's firefighting truck. And look, the ladder moves around. So he can go fight his fires. That's Marshall from Paw Patrol. Okay, there's 3 surprise bags left. What's in the first one? That's Doc McStuffins. It's a little Doc McStuffins phone with Larry on it too. See? It's Doc McStuffins' phone. Okay, there's 2 bags left. What's in the first bag? Oh boy, it's Princess Celestia from My Little Pony. And it sings. Very neat. And there's one more bag. What's in here? Oh boy, it's Peppa Pig. What does it do? Does it do anything? Yep, Peppa makes noises.
More hugs, please.
Very neat. Those are our surprise bags for today. Thank you.